got medium format, 35mm. Today I'm going to be taking out both of these cameras and I'm going to be shooting them. I'm going to be putting a roll of Portra 400 through the both of them. That way you can see how a $1,000 camera versus a $200 camera. After we get through this video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the cameras, what I thought of the pictures, and you guys could also leave any opinions that you might have. Before I get this video started though, I do ask that you guys please press that like button down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and make sure to leave a comment. And so, let's get it. Shot where it's like all the way, like showing all the houses. I don't know if I'm gonna get it from this side or the other side, but I do want to get a shot like that.
Casual outfit today. Nothing crazy. Like, who be running in a polo?
Right here. It reminds me of Young Thug's little NPR performance, the Tiny Desk. Where he has a little pink tree in the background.
I'm obsessed with that video. He said, why are you acting so out of control? You know why, homie. You know that way.
But they love acting like it's the first time.
Fish up, man. Oh, that thing got a little turtle in here. Main man vibing. Really get that color in there, man. I ain't see it.
And that brings us to the end of this video. So you guys just saw a 35mm camera versus a medium format at two very different price ranges. And honestly, I thought the pictures from both of them looked really, really good. But personally, I do think that the medium format camera, the FUJI GA 645, just had a little bit more sharpness. That camera in particular sometimes misses focus, which can be a little bit annoying, but still, someone like me who doesn't want to really sacrifice quality and still have those really sharp images, but to still have that medium format quality, I just have to pick this one as the winner. But as a quick grab and go, if you want to just still have that very artistic look, that 35mm Nikon L35af is still a very good choice. And I did notice that throughout some of the pictures that the L35af had a lot more of a warmer feeling. They were both shooting Portra 400, but for some reason, the medium format pictures looked a little bit cooler, and I think it might be due to the fact that that camera in particular doesn't go any lower than 4.0 aperture. And so the Nikon just really, allowed me to feel very warm inside, and it also showed that in the pics versus the Fuji having a lot more of the cooler tones. But I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was pretty interesting, especially since they were both shooting the same roll of film, developed the same way. So, hey, who knows? I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave down in the comments below which ones that you thought looked better. If you want me to make more videos like this, please feel free to let me know. And until the next one, peace.
Up all night, just dreaming. Up all night, just drifting. In my thoughts again. I'm in my thoughts again. I just lost my friend, and I want